Hi everyone, Kate here, and today I will be showing you how to create Edwardian pine needle sachets. The original idea comes from the 1910 book 1001 Household Hints. It reads as follows. Pine bags. A woman who takes great pleasure in her housekeeping and passes her summers amongst the pines and balsams always has a pine day, during which she has luncheon out of doors, and later her friends gather balsam branches for her. These are kept in the sun for weeks until dry enough to strip easily from the stems, and then cases are filled to keep with the house linen. To use these pine-scented sheets and pillowcases is a delight, and it is one that many women might have with practically no expense and little trouble. Now, this article doesn't really specify how large these bags should be. I'm just making some little sachets today, but I may reuse some of the needles off our Christmas tree this year to lightly fill an old pillowcase. I think this larger pillow will be needed if I wanted to scent our entire linen closet. A sachet, however, should be enough for a smaller area, such as a dresser drawer. Well, without any further ado, let's get started. A few weeks before beginning this project, I cut some pine branches and allowed to dry. Removing the needles was very easy after they were fully dried out. They really do just fall off in your hand. The fabric I'm using today is a scrap of loosely woven linen. You can use whichever fabric you prefer, but I've always found sachets made with a looser weave perfume more effectively. As an optional first step, you may embroider or otherwise embellish your piece of fabric. I don't usually bother decorating ones for my own personal use, as I do replace my sachets fairly frequently, but a decorative sachet does make a great addition to a gift bag. For this one, I'm freehanding a pine branch design and stitching it with brown and green embroidery floss. I did have a little bit of help with this. Next, sew down the sides of the sachet either by hand or by machine. I'm lazy and rather tired of hand sewing after my boudoir cap project, so I'm going to do mine by machine, but feel free to use whatever method you prefer. I start by sewing straight down 3 of the sides, with the wrong sides of the fabric together. Once these are sewn, stuff each of the sachets with the pine needles. You can also add a drop or two of pine essential oil to boost the scent if you wish. Once they are sufficiently filled, sew down the remaining side. I like to finish the edges of my sachets by trimming them with some pinking shears. And that's it! These can be tucked in drawers or on a shelf with your linens, lingerie, or even stationery to give everything that subtle fresh pine scent. Well, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.